Hello YouTube, it's your buddy So the Reaper. I am back with some LSPDFR. I've been wanting to record this for the last, year and a half, 2 to 3 years, something like that. I forgot how long it's been. I've been wanting to record this for so long. I attempt to give another unique perspective on this beautifully fine modification. I'm currently chilling in an unmarked Crown Victoria in the middle of the intersection. Sorry, I meant highway. Wondering what'll happen. If I can catch anybody speeding or what. Whoa! That car was going incredibly fast.
Attention all units. A criminal resisting arrest on Alter Street.
Oh, you got so lucky.
Emergency.
Charlie 4 is airborne and headed to the scene. Copy that. Taking a look.
Somebody comes speeding past me and then a code 99.
There's a little coffee shop around the corner.
Am I gonna be able to make it to them? I hear gunshots. I don't want to lose them. It wouldn't look good on my first day. I think I'm gonna have to cheat it. Need to be super careful doing this. Desperate times call for desperate measures. There we go, back on the main road. Once people be like, is that an unmarked police car? Whoa! Multiple shots fired. And frame rate drop. I could have sworn that was an unmarked sitting next to me. I'm gonna go roll code 2 since the guy's behind me. Multiple shots have been fired. I'm gonna black out and get ahead of him. That was not a good idea. Come on. Oh no, they're turning around. Come on. Police car! I'm so happy my car's reinforced. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run code 2. They just got done with a bank heist. Looks like they're in Bugstar's uniform. They're in Bugstar's uniforms! What?! Come on. You're on the wrong side of the road, you're so lucky I'm in the middle of a chase. Whoa, multiple shots fired. Scratch 1, scratch 2, scratch 3. What? Where'd it come from? What? Just got annihilated. What? Hold on. The car's here. See, teleport to waypoint. Oh. That does not look friendly. I can see why I teleported underground. Huh. Let's try this a second time. Teleport a few feet away. There we go. really weird. Now my lights are broken. There we go. Okay, so first failure of the night. Ooh, accidental play check. You're fine. And 24/18. That's in October. Huh. Registered to what I think is that Huckleberry. Need to find my way back to the highway. Or a highway. That was a red light. Great.
That's a beautiful car!
What are you doing, buddy? No. 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 I'm pulling you over, buddy. Hate to do it, it's such a nice Corvette. Pull over. Pull over. Ooh, traffic's a little bit close. We need to be careful. You're on the passenger side. You know why I pulled you over? Okay. Okay, Michael. Where you headed? Okay. Yes, I can prove that you were driving. Where was that light? Oh, okay. Seatbelt. Old and frayed. Okay then. Leave this menu, go to this menu. That's for identification. Michael Patterson. Interesting. Oh. So annoyed. What? What? Why do they do that? I've never understood why they do that. Great. Just great. Got away. How lucky. Nice Viper. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Oh, you can't do this to me! No,
Looks like I'm on my way back to the highway.
Son of a bitch.
what halves?
Vicious dog reported.
Hey, hey, hey! What this asshole
Get to
do?
the scene. Okay. I'm a little confused. Where's the doggo?
Hey,
Okay.
hey, what's going on, brother?
It's gonna be a nice long drive. Oh, that was not for me. Come on, move out of the way. Don't make me turn on my siren. I will turn on my siren at you. Move.
That's a hell of a ride you got there.
Do do do.
Jesus Christ!
Do 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 do. Gotta make my way through traffic. Oh, this is a weird incline. That did not look natural. There's a vicious doggo in this area. Oh look, it's a vicious doggo. Doggo! You do not look vicious. You do not look vicious. Oh. Bitten multiple people. Doggo! Taser doggo. I'll taser you. Sit still, doggo. Sit still. Don't you bark at me, doggo. No!
What?
Don't you bark at me, doggo. I'll taser you again. Don't you growl at me. Ow! Don't you bite me. Taser you again. Don't come at me, doggo. Stop it, doggo. Stop it. Stop it. Oh! Ouch! That was a bit excessive. Wow. I'm just gonna pretend that did not happen. I'm just gonna put my shades and stuff on. And we're just gonna be like, nothing happened here. Nothing at all. Off to the highway. Okay then, so that just happened. Those are some pretty sakura trees. Take a left up here.
Attention all units. Shots fired. And birds respond. Code 99 emergency.
Okay everybody, that was LSPDFR saying enough is enough and crashing really badly. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember to like, rate, comment, and subscribe for more. I want to turn this into a full-fledged series. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas for another potential episode, like a SWAT run, FIB run, stuff like that, feel free to put it in the comments down below. Without further ado, I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful day and night wherever you are. I'll see everybody in the next video. Good night, everybody.